Oh, hello, this is Tak Chong from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. This is the first wok that I'm going to review in 2022, and it is a stainless steel wok. It's made by a company known as Willow Everett. This wok is listed on Amazon for $69.99, and right now it has a $20 off sale. This wok is claimed to have a non-stick cook surface, but it is not true at all. However, you can easily create a non-stick cook surface using my spot seasoning method. This is a 13-inch wok, and it comes with a stainless steel lid. As a nice extra feature, it also comes with a stainless steel wok spatula. On the outside of the wok, it describes it as a 3-layer construction. What it means is that the outside is stainless steel, the inside of the wok is also stainless steel, but in the middle there is a layer of aluminum. Stainless steel is a poor heat conductor, whereas aluminum is excellent. It was discovered that by putting a layer of aluminum in the middle between two layers of stainless steel make the cooking utensil much better in heat conduction. This will allow stainless cookware not only to be great in its appearance, but also in its heat transmissibility. The entire body of this wok has this 3-layer design. When I opened this box, I was surprised how well the wok is packed. It came in this very nice cloth sack. Inside the sack, I found a stainless steel wok spatula. And it came with a bamboo handle. I personally prefer a longer handle, but this will do. You can take a look at this video to learn more about different kind of wok spatulas. When I removed the wok from the bag, I found a cover. It is a stainless steel dome cover. It is a beautiful cover, very well built. The bottom of the wok is quite unusual because it is the shape of a bowl. When I look at it, I decided it is somewhere between a round bottom and a flat bottom wok. When I turn the wok around, I noticed that the bottom of the wok is actually flat. This will allow it to sit firmly on any flat surface, such as a glass-top electric range. This wok has two handles, one long handle and a small, which commonly known as the helper handles. Both of them are made of stainless steels, but their construction allows them to stay cool when you cook. Since they are both made from stainless steel, so you can put them in the oven. According to information from the company, this wok can withstand temperature up to 500 degrees in the oven. Before I'm going to do some cooking tests, I'm going to wash the wok first. As in the case of all stainless steel cookware, it is very easy to clean. I use a scrub pad gently clean the surface of the wok. This wok weighs 3 pounds 13 ounces without the cover, and it weighs 5 pounds 9 ounces with the cover. For comparison, my Cuisinart 14-inch stainless steel wok weighs 3 pounds. It comes with a glass cover, and together they weigh 6 pounds 2 ounces. According to the product description, this wok is claimed to be non-stick. So I'm going to test by frying an egg without first seasoning the wok. And based on my past experience, no stainless steel cookware could be claimed to be non-stick. If this wok is truly non-stick, then the egg should not stick to the bottom of the wok. Well, here is a proof of the point that this wok is actually not non-stick. Because the egg sticks badly to the surface of the wok, and I have a hard time in getting the egg off. So after cleaning up the wok, I'm going to cook the second egg by first seasoning the wok with my spot seasoning method. Basically, I heat the oil until it starts to smoke gently. I turn the heat to low and let it to smoke gently for another 15 seconds, and this is time the wok is being seasoned. If you want to learn more about this method, you can take a look at this video. I then crack the second egg into the wok. as you notice that the second egg do not stick to the bottom of the wok at all. The spot seasoning method creates a very nice non-stick cooked surface on the stainless steel wok. As you can see here, the eggs glide freely over the surface of the wok. As in the case of all stainless steel cookware, it is very easily cleaned. My Palmara wok brush does a really good job. However, there are some burnt material from cooking the first egg. I use a heavy-duty scrub sponge to clean this material, and this worked very well. But as you can see, it left some scratch mark on the surface of the wok. This is against the product claim that the wok is scratch-proof. However, I really do not mind the light scratching on the surface of the wok as long as it is kept clean. The next cooking test is that I'm going to cook an egg omelet in this wok. I'm going to start out with about 1.5 tablespoons of canola oil. Again, I'm going to spot season the wok by first heating up the oil until it starts to smoke gently, and then I turn down the heat and let it to smoke for another 15 seconds. And then I pour 2 eggs into the wok. You notice that the eggs start to bubble almost immediately. This is a good sign, suggesting that the egg is not sticking to the surface of the wok. I then add some scallions as the filling for the egg omelet. I can easily lift the egg from the surface of the wok. The egg do not stick to the wok at all. This is a demonstration that the wok could be easily seasoned with my spot seasoning method. Even the bottom of the wok is slightly rounded, but it has enough flat surface to create a very nice egg omelet. So far, this wok has performed excellently, as good as any other stainless steel wok that I have used in the past. The wok is very easily cleaned, particularly with the scrub sponge. Now, it does leave some scratch mark on the surface of the wok, as I have shown here, but it really doesn't matter to me. So without any question, I would recommend this wok, particularly when now it is $20 off on sale. It is an excellent price. A comparable wok to this one is the Cook Standard 13-inch wok. And it also comes with a stainless steel dome cover with construction very similar to the Willow and Everett wok. But this wok has a flat bottom instead. If you like a flat bottom wok, then this one may be your choice. My everyday wok is also a stainless steel wok, but it is the Cucina 14-inch stainless steel wok. It also has a flat bottom similar to the Cook Standard wok, and it comes with a glass top rather than a stainless steel cover. I like this wok because it is significantly lighter at around 3 pounds. For me, it is easier to lift the wok as well as to move the wok around. Being priced at $37, it is quite affordable. It is less expensive because only the bottom surface of the wok is multi-ply. The rest of the wok is a single layer stainless steel. Since the cooking function occurs at the bottom of the wok, this configuration works quite well. Obviously, I would prefer the wok to be multi-ply all over the surface of the wok. However, that would make them too heavy for my preference. So this is a compromise that I'm willing to accept, as long as the cooking function of the woks are not too compromised, which is not the case at all. In summary, the Willow and Everett 13-inch stainless steel wok is a great deal, particularly at this price, and functionally it works very well. If you are looking for a stainless steel wok and like to get some saving, this is a good opportunity. I know you will be very happy with this wok. I post a video every day to help you to adopt my fast cooking system so you can cook every day for your wellness. And if you'd like to learn more about this cooking system, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep on cooking. I will see you tomorrow.